Hello everyone. Today we're going to show you our latest tool, testflow, which is an AI powered tool that takes in your project ideas and requirements and turn them into a fully testable set of user scenarios in minutes. And it also helps with planning the vibe coding part of your project. So we'll just go ahead and create a new project. So the project title, let's work on a cafe ordering system. So let's say cafe ordering system. So the description is users will use this app to order from a coffee shop. So now the app ID and requirements in more details. So let's say users should be able to log in, make an order, place an order, get reward points, track their orders, and pay. Now we'll go ahead and click on create project. So what this does is the AI will analyze the app description, it will generate the functional requirement set, it will create a test scenarios set, and then we'll open the workspace for this project for us to further explore and test and manage those requirements. Okay, so the project is created successfully. So first we have the set of requirements. This is a detailed set of the requirements of our project. And then we have the test scenarios. We can use these to do the functional testing later once the app is developed. And in each scenario, we can click on each scenario. We can add notes. We can add media that shows that this scenario is tested. We can go ahead and change the status of the scenario into passed or failed. And then so the scenario is now passed. We can go to the bug tracker. So if while testing the scenarios, if we encounter any bug, we can just click on report bug. We link the bug with one of the scenarios that were being tested, and then we add a title for the bug. So let's say notifications are not going through, and then let's add some steps. Send notification, and the environment, which is the operating system or the system that we are using, or the hardware that we're using. Let's say we're using Chrome, and if we want to attach a screenshot or video that shows the bug being reproduced, we can do that. So for now we're not doing that, that's optional. So we created a bug, and now we can later mark this bug as in progress, mark it as resolved, and set the priority for this bug, which is really helpful in organizing, planning, and testing our project. And then there's the vibe coding tool right here, which is an AI powered tool that generates an MVP prompt if you want to convert this project into a prompt to later be used with Cursor or with Windsurf or any AI powered IDE, or if you want to do with the task list with. So this will generate a list of tasks. So let's try it. And then we can pass the task list to Cursor and let it develop the project and mark each task as done once it's done working on that task. So let's go ahead and generate the tasks now. Okay, done. We have a task list generated successfully. So there's task ID, priorities, and description of each task, and the acceptance criteria for this task. So you can just click on this and copy this to the copyboard, and then take this to Cursor and let Cursor work on these tasks, and then the project will be developed, and you can use the test scenarios to test every single scenario and the bug tracker if you encounter any bugs. So this is our latest tool. It's available at testflow.live. Again, testflow.live. And the first project is free, so once you sign up you get the first credit for free, and then a single project is $199, a starter pack with 10 additional projects for $9.99, and 50 additional projects for $39.99. We are also offering this as a tool for corporates, so if you have a company and you want to use this in a whole team, you can just reach out to us via email, which is available here at the bottom of the page, or you could just leave a comment on the YouTube video. Thank you, guys, for watching. Please try this tool, give us feedback in the comments, and thank you, and see you soon. Bye bye.